Hey there, visual learners. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the latest innovations in tech and gaming. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future updates. Today we're exploring into something truly groundbreaking from Electronic Arts. EA has just revealed Imagination to Creation, a revolutionary AI technology that could change how we create and play games. So, stick around as we explore this exciting new world of text-to-game innovation. Since its founding in 1982, Electronic Arts, better known as EA, has been at the forefront of gaming innovation. The brainchild of Trip Hawkins, EA started with a unique mission: to elevate game developers as the rock stars of the tech world. Back then, video games were in their infancy, but EA was already thinking about the future. Their early focus was on creative games that pushed boundaries, and their rise was swift. EA rapidly expanded with landmark titles like FIFA, now FC25 and Madden, becoming staples in millions of households. Their legacy also includes blockbuster franchises like The Sims, which allowed players to build and control their virtual worlds, and Battlefield, a title that redefined the multiplayer shooter experience. Today, EA is one of the most recognized names in gaming, with offices worldwide and games in every genre. Their legacy of growth has included numerous acquisitions like BioWare and DICE and innovative ventures. But as they scaled, they also faced challenges. Business decisions like microtransactions and rushed releases damaged their once pristine reputation. Yet, EA's ability to pivot and innovate has kept them in the game, leading them to their latest breakthrough. And now EA is embarking on a bold new venture. At their Investor Day 2024, Mihir Vaidya shared an extraordinary vision: Imagination to Creation, a game-changing AI innovation that brings the era of text-to-game technology. Imagine this: creating your own gaming world by simply describing it. Want to build a galaxy far, far away? Or maybe a medieval kingdom surrounded by enchanted forests? With this new tool, your words can transform into entire gaming universes. This is the heart of Imagination to Creation, AI-driven technology that allows players to create fully interactive game worlds with nothing more than a text prompt. This isn't just an idea, it's a revolution in gaming. EA envisions a future where game development is not just in the hands of the professionals, but in the hands of the players. AI will make it possible for anyone to turn their imagination into reality, no coding required. It's the future of gaming, and EA calls it user-generated games, UGX. Vaidya explained that Imagination to Creation will empower players to become game creators themselves. From simple mechanics to vast, dynamic open worlds, everything will be customizable and ready for players to bring to life. EA is leveraging cutting-edge AI to turn game creation into something that's as easy as telling a story. From interactive adventures to multiplayer worlds, AI will take your ideas and craft immersive experiences. EA's latest move isn't just about making better games, it's about reshaping the entire industry. This move signals a future where every gamer is also a creator, where their imagination becomes the fuel for the next big game.
Is for everyone, and not everyone can create their own game, but with this AI power tool, everyone can create their own game. EA just introduced Imagination to Creation in the 2024 Inventors Day. This AI-powered concept gives inventors and players the ability to create their own environment by just using simple language commands. With no coding, no complex skills required, all you need is just your imagination. What do you think about that? Isn't that interesting? Whether you want to rebuild a map or remix a complete entire game that is already existing, or even create unique scenarios, an AI will make this possible in minutes. And even when this is still a conceptual stage, EA envisioned this that the game creation isn't reserved for developers only. And it's potentially starting with popular titles like Apex, Legends, and Sims. What do you think about this? What would be the first game you will be creating?
We call this space Imagination to Creation. To bring this to life, let me show you a concept video that stitches together some of our more exciting experiments in service of imagination to creation. Let's take a look.
Hey, what if we made a game out of cardboard boxes?
Yeah, let's do it.
Make a maze of cardboard boxes. What do you think?
Not bad. But maybe a little too simple. Make it more complex. How's that?
What if we make it multi-level? Whoa, let's give that one a go.
That's cool. All right, who are we gonna play as? Make 2 characters with weapons. I want...
Okay, let's see. Here we go.
I like this one. Not
Now
that
my
one.
weapon of
How about-
choice.
Ooh. Not bad, not bad.
Okay, that's cool, but how do we fight? Show me 1v1 combat options.
It should be a death match.
Right?
Here I come.
You gotta find me first.
Wait, what if we made it so we could only die from a grenade?
Oh, now I'm definitely going to win. Add a rule that you can only die by grenade.
I'm almost there.
I've got something for you. Almost got you.
Nice try.
Ugh, dead end. I think this world needs to be bigger. Make it more epic. Wow. Are you seeing this?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Let me take a moment to describe some of the more transformative elements embedded in the video you just saw. What you saw was an illustration of 2 friends jumping into an open sandbox and then creating a new world made of boxes in real time without any coding expertise and in a matter of seconds. They then quickly shifted to remixing existing elements from their favorite EA games, asset libraries, databases, and communities, elements like characters, weapons, gameplay systems, and logic. Even here, the incredible thing is they were able to do this instantaneously using nothing more than natural language. This remixing of foundational elements would not be possible without EA's massive proprietary dataset, which includes hundreds of thousands of high-quality 3D assets, millions of lines of code, billions of gameplay hours, and trillions of telemetry events. This is all invaluable data as we think about the training of our own custom creation models. And our data set grows by the minute as we're a digital life services company with millions of daily touch points with our communities. Now, going back to the video, once the players you saw, they were happy with their initial creations, they started to play. And they were able to rapidly iterate on the fun as they went along. Ultimately, by the end, they created a social game experience, one that started with our AAA content as a foundation, but that quickly took on a life of its own, beyond something we built. Over time, you can imagine these same players and others like them continuing to build in, around, and beyond EA's foundations, maybe even creating experiences that become the basis of entirely new chart-topping IPs. This would represent a new level of symbiotic relationship between our own developers and UGX creators, and one with our own IPs being the launch pads for new experiences and businesses. We hope this gives you a taste of our vision for the future of UGX, a world of true imagination to creation. And we're well positioned to execute on this vision. Our confidence is rooted in our leadership in a few areas. Beyond our vision, these areas include game development, technology and AI, and what I briefly mentioned earlier, data. These are all core ingredients for the future of UGX, and also happen to be the core strengths of our company.
At Visual Learners, we'll be following this journey closely, exploring how AI will shape the gaming world and transform it into something we've never seen before. With imagination to creation, EA is bringing power to the players, and the future of gaming is in your hands. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and don't forget to subscribe.